तो elimination method completely removed. Why to focus on elimination method? This these YouTube coaching guys, na, elimination method, selection method, na, these are all just, this looks attractive on the face of it, okay, but as soon as you get into it, na, that 25% theory doesn't work. Every question, every option has 25% of chance. No, one has 100%, rest all three have 0%. Okay, that's how elimination works. Most of the time you will be in that 0% range. Okay, not 0% means negative minus 33%. Okay, minus 33%, whatever of that awarded marks is. I have not been a big fan of elimination method or any shortcuts. Any shortcuts, you know or you don't know. Okay, that's how it is. The preparation should be the way it should be. Okay, there are no shortcuts. You are not preparing for some SSC stuff कि अगर 4+4 जोड़ेंगे तो 8 होगा, तो कैसे 4+4 जोड़ के 8 वाला अगर लास्ट यूनिट is 8, then that should be option, and if there is 6 it shouldn't be option. That way it doesn't work. If someone has visited in the year, you know or you don't know. Okay, if some event has taken place, you know or you don't know. Okay, it will not happen that some species is a bird, okay, and you will start eliminating and that bird will turn into a snake. And if you do that then snake will come back to bite you. That's how it is. So focusing on your studying, this elimination method will, even if you focus on that, for that you should have too much knowledge. Like if I have scored 125 marks, okay, while attempting 70 questions or 75 questions, और जब मैं आया एग्जाम से बाहर, तो I would say कि last day I read and it came in the paper, okay, or the last week I studied and it came in the paper. Those things happen because I studied or you studied, okay. It doesn't happen because कोई किस्मत थी, है ना, किस्मत होती तो those who don't study would get through that, but it doesn't happen, okay. And if somehow you will manage, you will be dumped by mains then. So elimination method, these tricks, shortcuts, okay, this will happen in your coaching test papers, okay, not over there. Elimination method start means, I would think 2 years it worked, 2016 and 17, okay. 2016 because the paper came was of much low standard, that cutoff went up to 116, okay. अभी तो 116 मार्क्स भी नहीं आते लोगों के, तो क्योंकि that year ना many things from vision IAS current affairs and other current affairs कम कि कौन सी रिवर का कौन सा ट्रिब्यूटरी पूछ लिया, इकोनॉमी पूछ लिया, है ना, कोयला कहाँ से आता है ये पूछ लिया, those kind of things ना. तो many people were comfortable with that paper, and then elimination worked कि इस ट्रिब्यूटरी के बारे में तो जानता हूँ, this is not the tributary of that river, that worked, okay. Now if this time I saw paper and only 1 is correct, only 2 and 3 is correct, only 2, 3, 4 are correct. So either you know or you don't know, na? So if you have studied enough, okay, you will be knowing some portion of that question, okay. If you know one, then you can eliminate some part, okay. If you know 2, then you can most probably mark the correct answer. So knowing is the root of every elimination method or short tricks, na? So focus more towards, at least when you are starting the preparation, don't focus on these tricks, okay. Even if your teacher says, you can just say go, you know, मतलब नहीं, मैं नहीं सुन रहा तुम्हारी, you know, because knowing is the primary key to succeed in any exam, okay. You guys have already done graduation at least, okay. तो graduation में जब written paper होता था, तो either you could have मतलब जो हम सब करते हैं, cheat करता है आदमी, है ना, या आप अपने मन से पढ़ के जो आते हो वो लिख के आते हो, that you write in the paper, whatever you study you write, okay. There you I don't think that you even bothered about elimination tricks, okay. So why in this exam?